When it comes to preparing for the unexpected, having the right survival gear can make all the difference. From self-sufficiency to protection, the right tools ensure you're ready for whatever comes your way. Amazon offers some of the most innovative and reliable Doomsday survival gear and gadgets to help you stay prepared. Whether you're a seasoned prepper or just starting to build your emergency kit, these gadgets are designed to give you peace of mind. In this video, we're showcasing the 10 coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets on Amazon in 2025. Get ready to discover top-tier tools that will keep you ready for anything. Let's dive in.
Introducing the Edition Tibon backpack, a versatile and durable companion designed to meet the needs of both outdoor adventurers and urban commuters. Constructed from high-quality dual nylon fabric, including 500D hex ripstop and 1000D plain weave, this backpack ensures long-lasting performance in various environments. Engineered with ergonomic features, it features yoke-style straps for easy removal and an adjustable sternum strap for personalized comfort. The exterior offers convenient storage options, including a top-zippered slip pocket with a loop field for patches, a front admin pocket for organization, and 2 zippered side pockets. Inside, a dedicated tech pocket with a padded compartment accommodates a 13-inch laptop and most tablets, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. Discover the LCS Cobra gun belt, a tactical belt that goes beyond its basic function to provide exceptional performance and versatility. Crafted from heavy-duty webbing and reinforced with a second layer of scuba webbing, this belt is capable of supporting significant weight without compromising durability. Its exterior features laser-cut MOLLE slots for secure attachment of modular accessories, ensuring stability and organization. For enhanced comfort during extended wear or heavy loads, the removable anti-slip pad on the interior offers additional cushioning. Equipped with robust 2-inch wide Cobra buckles from Austrialpen, this belt combines reliability with convenience. With its superior construction and enduring design, the LCS Cobra gun belt stands out as an essential choice for outdoor enthusiasts and tactical professionals alike. Introducing the Reebok RB 8808, a reliable and lightweight footwear option crafted to meet the demanding needs of tactical operations. Engineered with precision, the Reebok Duty Sublight Cushion tactical boot incorporates features that enhance both performance and comfort. Its standout feature is the Sublight foam midsole, which reduces weight and improves flexibility. The rubber outsole provides excellent traction for secure footing, and the Memory Tech massage footbed offers customized cushioning. With its lightweight design and performance-oriented features, the RB 8808 is the ideal footwear for tactical missions, ensuring comfort and agility in any field. Here we have the Helikon-Tex Hop, a ruggedly dependable pair of tactical pants engineered from a blend of Dura canvas and Versa-Stretch fabrics, ensuring unmatched durability for all your outdoor endeavors. Whether you're traversing rugged landscapes, camping in the wilderness, or executing tactical operations, these pants offer unmatched performance. But that's not all. These lightweight trousers boast a comfortably stretchable waist, ensuring agility and quick response in any scenario. What truly sets the Helikon-Tex Hop apart is its climate-resistant construction. Engineered to withstand diverse weather conditions, these pants are ideal for hunting, hiking, trail riding, and beyond. With the Helikon-Tex Hop, conquer any terrain with confidence and comfort. Meet the real Avid pistol tool, a high-quality 19-in-1 multi-tool meticulously crafted for firearm enthusiasts and gunsmiths alike. This versatile tool offers a wide range of functions tailored to disassembly, adjustment, customization, and fine-tuning of your handguns. Whether you're at the range, in the field, or in need of swift adjustments, the real Avid pistol tool delivers, equipped with 4 Bondhus Protanium hex keys for laser sighting systems, as well as flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits, accompanied by a long bit driver for versatile applications. Moreover, its rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tanto-style knife stands ready for emergency cutting tasks. For effortless teardowns, a detachable pin punch featuring 832 threaded receiver pivots is seamlessly integrated into the handle, accommodating standard gun cleaning accessories such as rods and brushes. In essence, the real Avid pistol tool emerges as an indispensable ally for every pistol owner. Its adaptability, resilience, and compact form make it an essential companion for firearm upkeep and maintenance. Introducing the Sig XF03 by Hogue Knives, a distinctive fixed blade tool crafted for tactical endeavors and designed to be proudly worn across the chest. Crafted with precision in the United States using premium stainless steel, the XF03 stands as a testament to the collaborative expertise of 2 revered entities in the industry. Conceived by the renowned Alan Elisiewicz, this knife boasts a resilient 154 centimeters stainless steel cryogenically treated to fortify its strength and durability. Its hawkbill design ensures precise cutting and heightened control over every movement. Enhancing its functionality, the knife features sturdy black G10 scales with a subtle mini piranha texture, ensuring a secure grip even in challenging conditions. Accompanied by a bolter-on neck sheath, carrying the XF03 becomes effortless, further complemented by the included paracord for emergency situations. Furthermore, the knife's eyelets are thoughtfully engineered to accommodate Tech-Lock attachment systems, allowing for customized carry preferences. Whether you're a law enforcement professional, a military operative, or simply prioritize safety and efficiency, the Sig XF03 by Hogue Knives stands as a versatile and reliable companion that meets any challenge. In outdoor exploration or military operations, effective communication is crucial. Meet the Redaviz RT29, a long-range walkie-talkie designed to streamline this critical aspect. With its military-grade construction, the RT29 offers more than just durability. It comes equipped with a range of essential features, including an emergency alarm, a long-lasting battery, and IP67 waterproofing for added reliability. Capable of covering distances from 3 miles up to an impressive 36 miles, the RT29's performance hinges on its ability to navigate obstacles. Count on the Redaviz RT29 to effortlessly bridge communication gaps, whether in the wilderness or on the battlefield. The Olight Seeker 3 Pro emerges as a standout contender in the realm of tactical flashlights, boasting exceptional performance and innovative features. With 4 high-performance cool white LEDs, it delivers an impressive maximum output of 4,200 lumens and a beam distance of 250 meters, catering to both broad illumination and focused tasks. Safety remains a top priority, evident in its built-in thermal and proximity sensor, which ensures optimal safety in the event of lens obstructions. Beyond its illumination capabilities, the Seeker 3 Pro features a highly integrated rotary knob switch on the head, enabling swift access to its 5 brightness levels with a simple twist. Additionally, its stylish dermatoglyphic silicone wrap, complete with finger grooves, offers a soft and non-slip grip for comfortable use, even during extended periods. In search of a holster that seamlessly combines fast draw capability with exceptional retention, meet the BlackHawk CQC. The CQC in its name stands for Close Quarters Concealment, promising a holster that not only enables swift drawing, but also ensures immediate retention upon reholstering, thanks to its provision of a full firing grip. Say goodbye to cumbersome middle finger releases or thumb brakes that could impede your response in high-stress situations. The Surpass ETC features an active retention system, guaranteeing your firearm remains securely in place until the moment you need it. What truly distinguishes the BlackHawk Surpass EQC is its innovative speed cut design, facilitating even faster draws and smoother reholstering, ensuring you're always prepared for action. With its matte finish, this holster exudes strength and reliability, setting it apart from the rest. The MTM Air Strike 2 is a timepiece tailored for aviators and adventure enthusiasts alike. Crafted from solid titanium, this watch combines durability with style, featuring MTM's proprietary Swiss quartz movement and a distinctive brass carbon dial. The sleek design fits comfortably on the wrist, exuding a sophisticated aesthetic. With its electroluminescent display, the Air Strike 2 ensures high visibility in low-light conditions, while the built-in chronograph allows for precise timekeeping. Additionally, the watch offers dual time zones and boasts over 52 total time zones for enhanced versatility. Equipped with an integrated digital compass, it provides reliable navigation assistance. With a water resistance of up to 330 feet, the Air Strike 2 is ready to accompany you on any adventure, from covert missions to outdoor excursions. For those seeking both performance and style, the Air Strike 2 emerges as the ultimate choice.